Hello, my second grader friends. This week we are going to do a new project and it is funky. Here is my example. Last week we learned about lines and we're still using lines this week, but we are going to add shapes. There are two different categories for shapes. There are geometric and organic shapes. We are going to use both. Geometric shapes are shapes that you probably already know. Those are squares, rectangles, triangles. Organic shapes are different. They could be cloud shapes, blob shapes, flower shapes. They are really any kind of shape that isn't geometric. Our project is going to use both. I use Sharpie and markers to do mine. Oh, and a pencil. This is some more inspiration. These projects only use geometric shapes, so we will use organic and geometric. Follow along with me while I make mine. Let's get into it. This is sped up, so please take your time. I'm going in with a Sharpie first instead of a pencil, just so you could see it better, but I would recommend using a pencil first. I'm doing 4 geometric shapes and then 4 organic shapes. I'm making sure none of them touch or overlap. I want them spaced apart. You could do a mixture of big and small shapes. That is up to you. So once we have our shapes, we're going to draw our lines. I'm using a purple Sharpie so I can see the difference. You could use the same color marker, but it makes it a little less confusing when you use a different color. I am doing one continuous line back and forth, but I'm shifting from straight to curly to zigzag to wavy. The different kinds of lines are up to you what you decide to do. We are just going to be coloring inside of our shapes. So this takes some focus and concentration. I am doing a pattern, so I'm going the darker pink to lighter pink, darker pink to lighter pink. In each one of my shapes, I'm doing similar but different colors. Moving on to my next shape. So I'm sticking with pinks and oranges for this project. I am carefully staying inside the line and not going past my lines. With the help of the magic of technology, I'm going to fast forward this. Remember to use good craftsmanship when making this. Craftsmanship is how something is put together. It is being neat and clean while you're making it. So I am not going in and scribbling. I am using the lines of the markers to help make this look neat and clean. Some parts of this can get confusing. If this seems too difficult for you, you can make your lines spaced further apart. Like this little flower shape, there's only one line going through it, so it's just 2 different colors. So if you need it to be more simple, that is a way to do it. If you want it more difficult, you can make your lines closer together. I'm about finished with my piece. I have one shape left. Here is my finished result. Don't forget to take a photo of you and your artwork and post it onto Google Classroom. I can't wait to see what you do. Bye!